Hello. So, if you also want to create fashion figure like this and this, then this video is for you. Don't worry, I am not about to throw a bunch of hard and fast rules at you. Instead, I will break it down in the simplest way possible. And I will also share a few bonus tips at the end. So make sure to watch till the end. Now, let's get started. Here are the grid lines you need to follow. Feel free to take a screenshot for reference. First, we will draw the head proportions like this. Keep it simple, use straight lines for the figure structure and circles for the joints like this. Once your base sketch is done, reduce its opacity and move on to the next step. Now using a new layer, carefully trace over your base sketch to refine the figure's outline. This step helps in making the illustration look clean and well defined. Pro tip: always use different layers for different elements. It makes editing easier later on. Now let me show you a screen recording of my phone so you can see the entire process in real time. I have chosen three shades, one for the main skin tone, a darker shade for the shadow areas and a lighter shade for the highlights. First, fill the head with the base skin tone like this, then using the darker shade add shadow lines where needed. Blend it smoothly using the smudge tool for a soft and natural finish. Now do the same process for the entire body like this. Next, for highlights, apply the lighter shade where the light naturally hits and blend it gently with the smudge tool. Pay attention to areas where light and shadow naturally interact. It makes a huge difference in making your illustration look realistic. Finally, let's complete the hair details and add a few facial features. This step will bring your fashion figure to life. And there you have it. Your beautiful fashion figure is ready. I hope this tutorial made the process super easy for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fashion illustration. Let me know in the comments what kind of designs you would like to see next. See you in the next video. Happy illustrating. Bye bye.